Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about top 30 general science MCQ for OSSSC ARI, AMIN, SFS, ICDs supervisors. So basically these sections will provide you top 30 general science which will be very important for your upcoming government examinations. So let's start with the first questions. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is options are nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygens. So which one is correct option? So among four options, generally nitrogen is used to fill in the electric bulb. Come to the next question. Washing soda is the common name for. So options are sodium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate. So which one is correct? Sodium carbonate is the right answer for this question. So sodium bicarbonate is used for baking soda. So baking soda chemical formula is sodium bicarbonate. So the answer for the question 2 is sodium carbonate. That is the common name for the washing soda. Next questions. Chemical formula of water. So water. What is the chemical formula of water? So options are Na, sodium aluminum oxide, H2O, Al2O3, CaSiO3. So among four options, H2O is the correct answer. Next question. Quartz crystal normally used in quartz clocks is chemically. Options are silicon dioxide, germanium oxide, a mixture of germanium oxide and silicon dioxide, sodium silicate. So answer for this question is silicon dioxide. So silicon dioxide generally used to make used in quartz clock. Next question. Which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? So what are the options are? Methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. So among four options, which one is correct? That is hydrogen. So methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide are responsible for greenhouse gas, whereas hydrogen partially affect in greenhouse gas. So among four options, hydrogen is the appropriate answer. So answer question 5, the correct answer is option D, that is hydrogen. Bromine is a gas. So bromine generally options are black solid, red liquid, colorless gas, highly inflammable gas. So bromine generally red liquid. So among four options, option B, that is red liquid, is the right answer. Now come to the next question. The hardest substance available on earth is. So options are gold, iron, diamond, platinum. So among four options, diamond is the correct answer. So hardest substance on earth is diamond. Next question. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is. Options are bitumen, anthracite, lignite, peat. So among four options, peat is the correct answer. So generally peat coal is available on the it deposit contains recognizable traces of original plant material. So answer for the question 8 is peat, that is option D. Next question. Tetraethyl lead is used as fire extinguisher, mosquito repellent, petrol additive, painkiller. So out of four options, option C, that is petrol additive. So TEL we can shortly write as TEL, tetraethyl lead. It is used as petrol additive. Also, the main function of tetraethyl lead is it is used to prevent knocking of engine. So in IC engine, internal combustion engine, there is knocking present. So generally to avoid knocking, we use this chemical, that is tetraethyl lead. So the question 9, the correct answer is C, that is petrol additive. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is used as lubricant? So options are graphite, silicon, iron oxide, diamond. So generally which one is used as a lubricant? Graphite. So answer is graphite. Now come to the next question. That is question number 11. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is. So options are argon, xenon, helium, krypton. So which one is used as deep sea diver for breathing? So the correct answer for this question is C, that is helium. So by replacing nitrogen and oxygen, we can use helium as inert gas for deep sea diver for breathing. So answer is C, that is helium. Now come to the next questions. The gases used in different types of welding would include option A, oxygen and hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, acetylene and nitrogen, oxygen, acetylene, argon, oxygen and acetylene. So out of 4 options, generally option D, that is oxygen and acetylene, is used for different types of welding, gas welding. So answer is oxygen and acetylene. Now come to the next question. The property of substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called osmosis, deliquescence, efflorescence, desiccations. So out of 4 options, deliquescence is the right answer. So deliquescence is the property of substance to absorb moisture from air on exposure is called, that is deliquescence. In next question, in which of the following activities silicon carbide is used? So as we know, silicon carbide is very harsh material. So let's see, the options are making cement and glass, disinfecting water of ponds, cutting very harsh substance, making cast for statue. So as we know, silicon carbide is a hard substance, so it is used for cutting hard substance. So option C, that is cutting very hard substance, is the correct option for this question. Now come to the question number 15. The average salinity of seawater is, options are 3%, 3.5%, 2.5%, 2%. So answer for this question is 3.5%. So average salinity of seawater is 3.5%. Next question. When an iron nail gets roasted, iron oxide is formed. So here are the options. Without any change in weight of the nail, with increase in the weight of the nail, with increase in the weight of the nail, without any change in color or weight of the nail. So answer for this question is with increase in the weight of the nail, that is option C. So when an iron nail gets roasted, then its weight will be increased. As iron gets exposed to the oxygen, when it gets roasted, the weight of the iron will be increased. So it feels heavier. Next question, that is question number 17. Galvanized iron sheet have a coating of. So here is the question. Galvanized iron sheet have a coating of. Options are lead, chromium, zinc, tin. So correct option for this question is zinc, that is C. Next question. Among the various allotrope of carbon. So options are, first one is coke is the hardest, graphite is the softest. Diamond is the hardest, coke is the softest. Diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. Diamond is the hardest, lamp black is the softest. So among four options, C, that is diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. So option C for this question. The group of metal Fe, iron, cobalt, nickel may best called as. Options are transition metal, main group metals, alkali metal, rare metal. So the group of metal iron, cobalt, nickel may best called as. So answer for this question is transition metal. So transition metal is the right answer for this question, which is written on option A. So iron, cobalt, nickel, that groups comes under transition metal. So answer 19 question answer is A, that is transition metal. Next question, heavy water is deuterium oxide, pH 7, rainwater, tritium oxide. So generally heavy water is deuterium oxide. The chemical ethyl morsaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of bromine, fluorine, chlorine, sulfur. So generally the chemical ethyl morsaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of. So the answer for this question is sulfur. So generally sulfur is used to detect smell from LPG cooking gas. As a result, we can easily smell out whether the gas is leaking or not. So for the safety purposes, we use sulfur for detectable smell from LPG cooking gas. The answer is C, that is sulfur. Next question, the element common to all acid. So this is very important questions. Hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, oxygen. So among four options, which one is correct? So if you see to every acid, the element common to all acid, that is none other than hydrogen. So answer A, that is hydrogen, is the right answer. Next question, non-stick cooking utensils are coated with. Options are Teflon, PVC, black paint, polystyrene. So nowadays every family are using non-stick cooking utensils. So this material is used from PVC. Teflon. So Teflon is used for non-stick cooking utensils. So answer is A. Carbon, diamond and graphite are together called allotropes, isomers, isotopes. So these are the form of what? Carbon, diamond and graphite are together called. The answer for this question is allotrope. So later we'll discuss about what is allotrope, what is isomers, what is isomorph, what is isotopes. But here the answer is allotropes. Carbon, diamond, graphite are together called allotropes. Next question, potassium nitrate is used as medicine, fertilizer, salt, glass. So generally potassium nitrate is used in fertilizer. The answer is B, that is fertilizer. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of sodium carbonate, alum, potassium permanganate or lime. So which one is correct option? The question is permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of. So answer is sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate generally used for remove permanent hardness of water. Soda water contains, so options are carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. So answer is carbonic acid. So carbonic acid is the right answer. Next question. The most important ore of aluminium. Options are galena, calamine, calcite, bauxite. So out of 4 option D, that is bauxite, is the correct answer for this question. So here the ore of aluminium is bauxite. Which of the following is in liquid form at room temperature? So here options are lithium, sodium, francium, cerium. So out of 4 option, option B, that is sodium, is the right option for these questions. Next question. Sodium metal is kept under petrol, alcohol, water, kerosene. So sodium metal generally kept under kerosene. It is very important. From which mineral is radium obtained? So generally it is very important question. Which mineral is radium obtained? So options are rutile, hematite, limestone, pitch blende. From which mineral is radium obtained? So answer is please blend for this question. So this is all about top 30 questions in general science, and which will be very important for your upcoming Odisha Staff Selection Commission examinations like RI, AMIN, ARI, SFS, ICDs. So this is all about this video, and stay alert with my channel. I will be uploading more video regarding this, so stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for your response. I hope this video will give you a lot of confidence in your upcoming examinations. So thank you for this. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.